As important as clean and hygienic food is, equally important are the clean utensils in which the food is cooked and served. For centuries, we have been using green soap for this purpose. But do you know how this soap is made? If not, then let's get started. We'll show you how this Nauka soap, used for centuries in every household to keep utensils clean, is made, without which cleaning utensils is impossible. As you all know nowadays, everything is made from chemicals. To make the soap, first, a mixture of sodium caluminate and dolomite is being poured into the machine. One by one, all the chemicals will be added to the machine. Next comes foam booster, which is poured into the machine in large quantities. This is what creates the foam that we think cleans the utensils. After that, it's time for soda. Here, sacks full of soda are added along with a large amount of polymer. Then comes the color. You must have noticed that all utensil cleaning soaps are green in color. Here, a large amount of green dye is added. Along with that, liquid serene is also poured in. Serene is a type of chemical used to clean utensils. So, a lot of chemicals have already been added. Next comes something that is always mentioned in advertisements. If you look at any utensil cleaning soap, it will always mention lemon. Here, the lemon-scented chemical arrives and buckets of it are poured into the machine. Now, the machine is turned on and will keep rotating for 2 hours. As it mixes, all the ingredients will blend perfectly. After that, the mixture is taken out of the machine. Here, you can see that a fine soap has been prepared. But soap doesn't look like this. To change its form, it is transferred to another machine. Here, you can see large chunks of the soap mixture. These chunks are now broken into smaller pieces and fed into another machine. This machine's job is to reshape it. It grinds the soap again and transforms it into a new form. Now, you can see all the mixture being fed into the machine. The machine will finally grind it and then start extruding it in a completely new shape. By now, you must be thinking that our soap is ready. It will now be measured and cut into small pieces using a cutter. It looks so beautiful, I can't even describe it. And instead of a chemical smell, it has the fragrance of lemon. You must have noticed that whenever you wash utensils with soap, it always smells like lemon. That same lemon fragrance is what I'm smelling here now. One by one, all the soap pieces are placed into another machine for cutting. This machine cuts each piece into the final shape. Now comes the packaging. Plastic containers are taken and each soap is filled inside. After that, it is pressed so that the soap takes the shape of the container. Here, the soap has now perfectly taken the shape of the container. Next, a scrubber is added. You must have noticed that whenever you buy this soap, a small plastic scrubber is given with it to clean the utensils. So, a plastic scrubber is placed in each container. Now, the container is sealed and our utensil cleaning soap is ready. How did you like this video?